You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names. For more confusing names pronounced correctly, stay tuned. We've got many more. I'll link to a few at the end of this video for you. In English, it's generally pronounced as Karin. Karen. So some may say a bit more as Karen, just like Karen with an E. Karen. Some may pronounce it a bit more as Karen with a bit more of an E sound, Karen. But rarely is it pronounced Karin. That would have an E, additional E at the end of it. How do you pronounce it? Any one of you pronounces it as Karin or simply Karen. Let us know, let everybody know in the comments, and where are you from, so we have a better understanding on how to pronounce it. Thank you. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.